Hello, welcome to Locks, your go-to spot for kid-friendly, stylish, and creative hair inspiration. Today, we are bringing you some cute and easy natural hairstyle for kids using rubber bands. These looks are not just adorable, they are beautiful and are perfect for busy mornings or special occasions. Whether your little one has thick curls, soft curls, or fluffy puffs, this video got styles that are gentle on the hair and super fun to wear. From crisscross patterns to section ponytails, hats, and colorful accents, this hairstyle adds a playful touch while keeping your child's hair neat and manageable. The best part is you only need a few rubber bands, a comb, and a bit of leave-in conditioner or gel to get started. And don't worry, we are showing you styles that can be done in 10 to 15 minutes, even if you are not a pro at braiding. So whether it's for school, a birthday party, picture day, or just a cute weekend look, these rubber band hairstyles are sure to bring a smile to your little one's face. Stick around to see all the styles, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Locks for more kid-friendly hair ideas every week. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Umma Locks for more kid-friendly hair ideas every week. Thank you for watching.